So parallelogram has opposite sides equal. So this should be 5 and this should be 6. Angle R is given to be 85 degree. So opposite angles are equal, we know in a parallelogram. So angle E is also 85 degree. Now angle H, sum of H plus E is 180 degree. So it is 95 degree. Okay. So we cannot make 85 and 95 with the help of compass. So
Ma'am, we need to make
yeah,
from protractor.
yeah. So we need to make it with the help of protractor. So the question becomes very easy then. So how we should do it? Firstly, we have to make a line segment of length 5 centimeter, and then we need to name it HE. Now at H, we need to make angle of 95 degree with the help of protractor. Okay, and at E, we need to make the angle of 85 degree. Okay, now I have to measure 6 centimeter with the help of compass and cut an arc at 6 centimeter. I will name it R. And I have to put the needle at E and measure 6 centimeter again and then cut an arc at this ray. So that is 6 centimeter. Now I can name it A. Now join A and R. So this completes our construction of this parallelogram. So it is very easy. You are being given two sides and one angle. So with the help of property of parallelogram, we have completed it. Please draw it and then send it on the group.
Ma'am, I'm just sending you on the group.
Okay, Dhriti.
Ma'am, I've sent it on the group. Can you please check?
Yeah, I received. So HEAR. Okay. 95 degree and this is 85 degree. It is correct, Dhriti.
Ma'am, can I move on to the next?
Yeah. 5 centimeter, you can also write labeling. Otherwise, everything is correct. Okay, so let's move to question number 4. Fourth is rectangle. Okay, so if I draw the rough diagram of this rectangle and name it OKAY, OK is 7 centimeter, KA is 5 centimeter. So we know that internal angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree. This is the hints which I have given to you for solving of this question. So anyone who wants to tell me how to proceed further?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, we will take the base as OK, which is 7 centimeters.
Yes,
And
Maika.
then, ma'am, we will make 90-degree angle on the point O.
How you will be making 90 degree?
Ma'am, first we will make a semicircle
Mm-hmm.
and then make a arc from the of the left side of the circle, and then I will make two arcs of 60 degree and 120 degree,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will bisect them and make 90 degree.
Correct, correct. Okay, then
Then now we will join the line which will be called as OY.
so how you will be getting OY?
Now we will join the bisector with a line segment. We will make a line segment.
Okay, then you should say I will cut it for 5 centimeter. As in rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in that 90 degree ray, you have to cut it for 5 centimeter and just name it Y.
Yes, ma'am. And then, ma'am, we will take the from the point K. I will take the measure of the compass as 5 degrees and make a arc. And then from the point Y, I will again make a arc which will be of 7 centimeters. So after that, I will join the bisectors. Means the bisector, and then with the line segment, then our rectangle is completed.
You are correct. Okay, so please complete everyone and share it on the group.
Ma'am, I have sent my solution.
Okay, Mahika, I will check. So Mahika, I suggest जो आपने K लिखा है ना, K पॉइंट पे भी आपको 90 डिग्री बनाना है.
Okay, ma'am, I'll make there also.
यहाँ पे भी यही प्रोसीजर रिपीट करना है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, with the school, we have reached this exercise 4.5. So, ma'am, I wanted to ask, I had a doubt in that means exercise.
Okay, let me open just a minute. Anmol. Okay, say.
Ma'am, question number 2.
Question number 2 is your doubt. Okay, no problem. So let me discuss. Just give me 1 minute. So Mahika, do you understand where you went wrong? जो K वाला है वो भी 90 डिग्री आपको ड्रॉ करना है. I have checked it up. You can just have a look. Okay, अब आप बोल रहे हो अनमोल question number 2. So everyone please pay attention to question number 2. Firstly, we will be making the rough diagram. A rhombus whose diagonals, this is a rhombus and whose diagonals are 5.2 and 6.4. These are the two diagonals of the rhombus. So for this question number 2, I have to use the property of rhombus. That property is diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Okay, so what I will be doing, Anmol, first, I will be drawing 6.4 centimeter. अच्छा 5.2 को हाफ करोगे तो 5.2 का हाफ क्या आएगा? That is 2.6. So I can draw 2.6. उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो मैं इस लाइन को 6.4 सेंटीमीटर I will be drawing it and I will be naming it AB. This is the first step. After that, I will put the needle of compass at point A. A point पे मैं compass की needle रख दूंगी and I will open the compass for more than half of AB and I will make 2 arcs on both sides of AB. The same procedure I will put the needle on point B and with the same radius I will cut this 2 arc. So this will, I will join the point of intersection. So this will give me perpendicular bisector. Now the next step is, I know it is perpendicular bisector and it should be 2.6 up and 2.6 down. Half of 5.2 is 2.6. So I will, on this line, I will cut 2.6 up and 2.6 down. Now I will join this at 2.6. Like same, I will join it here and here. So I can name it C, whatever you wish, CD. So this is our required rhombus. So where you find it problematic, Anmol, can you tell me?
Ma'am, understood.
You understood? Okay, good. So please everyone draw this exercise 4.5 question number 2. Just mention it in your copy that it is from exercise 4.5.
Excuse me, ma'am, in this question, I have a doubt in this question.
You have a doubt in question number 2?
Yes, ma'am. I'm asking that we need to open the measure of the compass as 2.6 centimeters or 5.2 centimeters.
See, 5.2. If I take the half of 5.2, then it is 2.6.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, we need to take the measure of 2.5.
2.6.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
see what happened, they perpendicular bisect each other. So what this bisect means, they divide itself in two equal parts. So if I make the two equal part of 5.2, then it is how much? It is coming out to be 2.6. So I have to cut this at 2.6 and this as 2.6.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, the measure of the segment should be 2.6 centimeters of the line.
Yes.
Ma'am, I've sent you.
On both the side, Mahika. On upside and downside, both the side you have to take 2.6 and 2.6.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Ma'am, I've sent my answers on the group. Please check.
Okay, Dhriti. That is correct, Dhriti, very good and very neat also. So here in this question, students get worried because nothing is written about the length of the side of rhombus. So because of that problem, they get worried. So if it is completed, do tell me, then we can start the new exercise. Others, Dhriti has already completed both the questions. What about,
Yes, ma'am.
Mahika, you have also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please send it for getting it checked.
Actually, ma'am, My phone got dead. After the class, after charging it, I will send you.
No problem, no problem. So, okay, then फिर start the new exercise. 4.3 we have completed. So let's come to 4.4. Okay, so there are two questions in this exercise. Quadrilateral is DEAR. So we will be making its rough diagram. DEAR. And we will be making DE is 4 centimeter. EA is 5 centimeter. AR is 4.5 centimeter. Length of three sides are given. Angle E is 60 degree and angle A is 90 degree. So these two things are given. So see how to do this question. Firstly, whatever is the question that I have to mention it on the rough diagram that we used to do in the previous exercise also. Same thing I have adopted. So wherever I see two angles are given, that side I will be drawing it first. So I will be drawing first AE. So I will be drawing a line segment of length 5 centimeter and I will name it AE. After that, at point E, I will be drawing 60 degree angle. So for that, I have to draw a semicircle. I have to cut it. I have to draw a semicircle of any radius, and that with the same radius, I have to cut it 2 times. So with the same radius, I have to do. So first will be 60 degree. So I will be joining this, will be making me 60 degrees. So that is done. So I have draw 60 degree as angle E. Now I have to draw 90 degree as angle A. So again, I'm drawing a semicircle of any radius. Then with the same radius, I will cut it 2 times. That will give me 60 and 120. Then I will put the needle of compass at the 60 and 120 point. So I will be putting the needle at this 60 degree and this 120 degree. I will take of this distance, I will take more than half and will make an arc. Similarly, with the same more than half radius, I will cut this previous arc. So I will be getting 90 degree. So I got A as 90 degree. I have drawn it and E as 60 degree. So I am done now. Now, what is left behind? I know DE is 4 centimeters. So in this 60 degree, I will be measuring with the help of compass and ruler. I will be measuring 4 centimeter and will be putting the needle of compass on E and will cut it at 4 centimeter. I will name it D. So DE is 4 centimeter. Now 90 degree. So this is AR, this is 4.5 centimeters. So I am measuring 4.5 centimeter on the compass with the help of ruler, and I will be putting needle of compass at point A and will be cutting this 90 degree at 4.5 centimeter. And I will name it R. Now my work is done. Now I know R, I know D. Now I will be joining this R and D. So this will make the quadrilateral DEAR. So what is the way of doing this exercise? Wherever two angles are given, that you have to take. That side you have to make first. That should be the base. Okay, so all of you, what do you say? Is it understood?
Yes.
Okay, so please draw it. If it is understood, draw it in your copy.
Ma'am, I'm done and sending it on the group. Ma'am, I just forgot to label 5 centimeter in that photo.
Okay, Dhriti. Rest is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've also sent you my test answers, so have you checked?
I'm not able to check it right now. We'll check it.
No, ma'am, I'm just asking, have you received it?
Actually, I have not seen my that other number. So definitely I must have received it. If I have not received it, then I will just ask you to send me again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So that is correct, Dhriti. So please try second part.
Can you explain how we got RD?
RD.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you able to follow Mahika up to point R and D?
Yes, ma'am. I have taken out till 60 degree.
60 degree and 90 degree you have drawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that, have you cut that 60 degree to 4 centimeter to get it DE?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about, have you cut that 90 degree ray
Yes,
to
ma'am.
4.5 centimeter to get R?
No, ma'am. Actually, I am not done.
Yeah. So you have to cut that 90 degree ray to 4.5 centimeter because CAR is given as 4.5 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am. Done. 4.5.
So completed, then you will be getting R and D in the diagram itself. Then after that, you have to join these 2 points, R and D.
Okay, ma'am.
So can anyone, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Okay, please, after the class, you can send it to me. So please try to do second part, and if anyone know how to do it, he or she can discuss.
Ma'am, I think I know how to do this. I'm not so sure, but yeah,
Yeah,
I think I
go
have an
ahead,
idea.
go ahead. I will help you out.
Uh, Ma'am, first we will make the rough diagram. And then, ma'am, we will make RU of 3 centimeter. And then from point R, we will make 75 degree by bisecting uh, uh, 60 and 90 degree.
Excellent. Very good.
And we will make 120 degree like we always do. First cut an arc of 60 degree, then putting the compass needle of 60 degree, then cut an arc of 120, then join the line from the point of intersection. And then, ma'am, from point U, we will take 3.5 centimeter measure and cut an arc.
Just a minute, just a minute. There you went wrong. No problem. I'm just helping you out. So first, let's make this 75 degree and let's make this 120 degree. No, okay. Now what you are saying, Priti?
From point U, ma'am, cut an arc of 3 centimeter UE.
That is wrong. It should be 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, I got confused.
It is correct. It is
4
correct.
centimeter. And then from point R, ma'am, 3.5.
You are correct. So TR is 3.5. Okay.
And then, ma'am, join.
Excellent. So you have done it correctly. Okay. Please proceed. Do it on the copy.